Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I'll be having an unboxing of the brand new released Huawei Honor 6.8. Now, this phone is actually a pretty good phone. I've been looking at it online. I was like, I need a backup phone because I have another SIM card which I pay a month as a SIM only plan for £5 a month, and I don't really use the SIM card. It's been like 3 months now since I haven't used it. I've been trying to use it with my iPhone 4S, my backup phone, and my iPhone SE, my other backup phone, and I didn't feel like using two iPhones made sense, so I thought about getting an Android phone instead. Now I was looking at the OnePlus 6, although that's a higher end model. I already have an iPhone X. I don't really need to spend that much money to get a OnePlus 6, so I might as well just get a budget handset that has great specs and that has possibly a dual SIM. And this phone, hopefully, it said on the website that it does, but hopefully, because I got it in the UK, it might not, but hopefully it has a dual SIM, okay, because sometimes phones don't have dual SIM if you buy them from the UK, so hopefully this has dual SIM, so you can put two SIM cards at once. The bad things about this phone is that, unfortunately, this phone doesn't have any fingerprint scanners like the Huawei Honor 6.8 Pro. It has no NFC, so that means you can't use your cards by using Android Pay. That's not allowed. Phones from China and phones from like Hawaii, for example, they usually ship phones with pre-installed screen protectors. Now, some people like me, I don't like to use pre-installed screen protectors. A, because they're weird, and sometimes they use basic, cheap, plasticky ones. And I like to use screen protectors that are glass, made of glass. So that's just my personal preference. The downfall, you can get this for £69.99 from the Huawei Honor 6.8 website. However, it currently retails at Carphone Warehouse for about £150. You're getting more than 50% off on the actual website. However, I'm not too sure if the offer is still running. It has a huge battery. It's running on a huge power milliamp battery, and it has a decent camera. I'm just gonna stop talking now, and let's just get to the actual unboxing. So you can see on the front of the box it just says Honor 6A, nothing very exciting. And then you have these two plastic security seals. You have some IMEI information, and at the back here you should see some of the key specifications. It doesn't say anything about key specs. It just says Hawaii Tech Investment Co. Limited, the Netherlands, and basically the website. It doesn't really say any key specs. I think Honor should have done that. They should have actually put some key specs on the actual back of the phone. So people, for example, if they're buying it in a shop, it looks more professional, if you know what I mean. So let's just get this thing open here. So I'm just gonna cut the seals that are void. Apparently, if you cut them down here. So this one is gonna be kept for me. Okay. Right. Let's just open it now and see what we get inside of the box. Okay. Slow opening. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this is the Honor 6A right out of the box. I'm just gonna, get it out of the box. Okay, and I'm gonna come back to this phone in a minute. And then inside here, what do we get? Well, just remove that. You have the SIM ejector tool right there, which is pretty cool. You have some Honor stickers. So they're kind of being like Apple here with the Apple stickers. And here you're having these Honor stickers, and it says "Feel for the Brave." Okay, so it says "For the Brave." Okay, cool. I think I am pretty brave to go to this Hawaii phone. I don't really trust this brand, but hopefully they have a good deal for me. So, and then you have the instruction manual. I'm not going to read that because I can use iPhones as well as Android devices, so I don't have to really be reading all of that. And then you have the warranty card. So it probably comes with a 2-year limited warranty with Hawaii themselves. So if you have any issues, you can just report that out to them, and they'll help you with your item. Okay, so further inside the box, we get three other things. We get the original Hawaii charger adapter, as you can see there, and it comes with a USB sort of connection there at the back. And this part here just slots up and down, so it goes up and down. But of course, it's sealed here, but I'll just show you anyway. Just get this removed so I can show you guys what I mean by it goes up and down. I think you know what I mean. If you had a Samsung Galaxy device before, you probably have seen this on the S5 chargers and stuff like that. So if I just show you now, up, down, yeah, they're pretty cool and portable. I like how they do that with the chargers. The earphones actually, so they're pretty much copying the Apple sort of trend here. You can see these look very, very similar to the, they have my iPhone X charger right here. I'm not going to try out the earphones right here to show you the Apple earphones in the comparison to the Huawei ones, and you can see how very similar they are. Okay, which is pretty cool, but that's, I don't really mind them copying Apple. It's nothing to do with me, it's probably nothing to do with them. And then we have this charger. I'd probably be happy if I saw a USB Type-C charger or a quick charge cable there. That would be much better. Or having a micro HDMI is cool, but it's not really something we use in the 21st century here. But that's pretty cool for the budget price. So let's just go back to the phone now before I end this video. I just want to go back to the phone, and I want to show you guys around the phone. So as you can see, it comes with a pre-installed screen protector, and it's plastic. And you can see here it says metal, so it's metal, and it feels pretty cool in your hand. It feels like you're holding. It's lighter than my iPhone X. I'm recording with my iPhone X at the moment, and it feels much lighter than that. Wow, it looks, again, see, like similar like the Apple sort of trend. But anyway, I should show you. So it contains 2 speakers at the back, micro HDMI port. On the sides here, you have nothing. You just have an ejector for your SIM card and your micro SD card probably. And here you have your volume up and down. You have your power button, and you have your 3.5mm head jack. And at the back here is showing you how you can put your micro SIM and your nano SIM. So let's just see how to do that now. So I'm just going to actually see what happens if, what is it, dual SIM? I'm just a bit confused. So let's just open it up and see what happens when I open it up. What does it come with? Okay. So it comes. You can see this picture here. I don't know what it says. It says micro SD. Oh, so you can. Oh, okay, makes sense. So you can either. That's actually clever, What they've done is that you can either put a micro SD card in there, or you can put a nano SIM and a normal SIM in there, which is pretty cool. So that's very thoughtful of you guys. So thank you for that. I think Apple should have done that, to be honest with you, because that's pretty awesome, pretty creative idea to think about when it comes to those sort of things. So yeah, thank you guys for putting that in your idea. But anyway, guys, I think the price that I paid this item is pretty cool, and I think if you want to get this item, you should get it without any hesitation. I will be making a review on this phone, so don't be thinking this is the last video I'll be ever making on this phone. I will be making a review, a full review will be going up on this phone. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe to my unboxings and fun. If you have any comments or if you have any suggestions what you want me to put in the next video on this phone, leave your comments down below. If there's any other new upcoming devices you want to see me making an unboxing of, put that in the comments down below, and I'll be making that very, very soon for you guys. Take care, have a nice day, and I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.